Welcome to Game Dev Guidance. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of downloading a Mixamo character and seamlessly integrating it into your Unity project. Mixamo.com is an online platform that provides a variety of services related to 3D character animation and rigging. Start by visiting the Mixamo website and create an account if you don't already have one. You may sign in using your Adobe ID as well, as Mixamo is integrated with Adobe. Once you have signed in, navigate to the Characters page by clicking the Characters button located in the navbar. Feel free to use any character you like, but for this tutorial, we will be using Chad. Click the orange Download button to the right of the character model. In the pop-up dialog, set the format to FBX for Unity, and the pose to T-pose, then click Download. In your download folder, rename the FBX file to something that makes a little bit more sense. In your Unity project, create a folder for your models, then drag and drop your new character from your downloads into this folder. With your character selected, click on the Rig tab in the inspector. Change the animation type from generic to humanoid. Now we must create an avatar from this model. Make sure the avatar definition is set to create from this model, then click Apply. To verify an avatar was created, change the avatar definition to copy from other avatar, then check the source for an avatar with your model's name preceding the word avatar. Drag your model into the hierarchy. The first thing you will likely notice is there is no textures applied, leaving the character a grayish color. To fix this, select your model from the project window, and navigate to the Materials tab in the inspector. Click the Extract Textures button and select an extraction location. As this is just a tutorial, I will extract mine in the same folder as my model. You may be greeted with a pop-up titled Normal Map Settings. If so, simply select Fix Now to convert the textures to normal maps. Now that our character model looks decent, it's time to add our first animation. Let's visit the Mixamo website again, but this time, click the Animations button in the navbar. For this tutorial, I am going to use a waving animation, as a way to say hello to all the amazing people who support this channel. Once you have found the animation you'd like to use, click the orange Download button located to the right of your character model. Set the format to FBX for Unity, skin to without skin, frames per second to 60, and keyframe reduction to none. Then, click Download. Since we want to practice good programming practices, let's rename the animation file inside our download folder to our preferred format. I will name mine anim_waving. In your Unity project, create a folder for your animations, then drag and drop your new animation from your downloads into this folder. With your animation selected in the project window, select the Rig tab from within the inspector. Change the animation type to humanoid, and set the avatar definition to copy from other avatar. Set the source to the avatar we created previously. Next, click the Animation tab from the inspector. There are a lot of settings in this tab, but we are just going to focus on the basics for now. Let's start by changing the animation name to something more fitting. If you want your animation to play on a loop, you will need to enable loop time, then make sure loop pose is checked. Always make sure you apply your changes when you are finished. We need to link the model and animations using an Animator Controller. Right-click in your Animations folder, select Create, then click Animator Controller. I will name mine something along the lines of animcont_Chad, as it will be Chad's Animator Controller. Select your model in the hierarchy, and locate the Animator component in the inspector. Assign the controller by either dragging it in from the project window, or selecting it from the drop-down menu. Double-click the Animator Controller in your project window to open the Animator tab. Drag in your animation and notice the connection between the entry node and the animation. This connection will tell the animator that this should be the first animation played. Enter play mode and see the magic. Congratulations! You have successfully implemented an animated character in Unity using Mixamo. I hope you found this video useful, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to show support for my channel, please consider giving that thumbs up button a gentle smash. And if you're enthusiastic about continuing this exciting journey through game development with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Remember, game development is a journey. See you at the next checkpoint.